What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. This one's going to be a quick, easy little video. I'm just going to polish my headlights, show you that you can just polish headlights without actually sanding them. So you can see that the headlights aren't really that great already. Let's see if I wipe them down and it gets them wet, it makes them look like they're better than they actually are. But you can see once they start to get dry, they actually haze up a lot. So let's get to polishing them and see if we can bring them back. Headlights like me, they're going to happen once a year. You're going to have to polish them. So I just do it regularly now instead of sanding them every single time, because if you continue to sand them over and over again, eventually they're going to wear through the plastic to the point where it's completely unfixable. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I appreciate you guys being here. I got my little buffer here, and I got some compound that I'm going to throw on there. This is actually 3M glass compound, but it does the same thing. Goal is to have the pad nice and moist for good buffering. Give it a little wipe down and see how she looks. I mean, makes a world of a difference. I can actually see the headlight now. So, unfortunately, when you have cheap headlights like these are aftermarket. When you have cheap headlights like this, you just have to buff them. Once they start to fade, there's no other option unless you can find glass lenses. By the way, if you're wondering what the compound I'm using, it's 3M glass polishing compound. You don't have to spend the money on these big bottles. You can just get the little headlight compound, the plastic headlight compound, or you can just buy the little kit. I mean, I have a snap-on buffer because I do it so often. I figured I'd just get one, and it was on sale when I bought it. I don't recommend you buy this. Just use a regular drill. It's much cheaper. So you can see how faded this one is. It looks really bad. We'll get some compound on here again. I keep my my buffer on 1 so I don't burn through and melt the plastic. If you're doing this on a car you care about, you may want to pop the hood so it's open and then also mask off the rest of the paint around. But I mean, this fender's already ruined anyways, and the paint on this car isn't good, so I'm probably helping it more than anything. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, as you can see, the headlight looks a million times better. You can actually see that it's a projector, and it's probably going to function like it should. Take paper towels, actually properly dry this out. Still a little bit of moisture that keeps pulling up on it, but for the most part, you can see it's pretty dry. You can see the shortness of the video wasn't that bad. All in all, probably 10-15 minutes, knock this out real quick. And its benefit is it's raining, so it's going to help clean off any of the excess buffing compound that's on the car. But just to be sure, I'm going to pull the hose out in a second and hose all the front end off. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos in the future.